The snowball effect is a widely used idiom that describes a situation or process where something starts small and relatively insignificant but quickly grows or accumulates, often exponentially, over time. This phenomenon can be observed in various contexts, from finance and economics to social dynamics and even physical processes. The term snowball effect is derived from the image of a snowball rolling down a hill, gradually picking up more snow and increasing in size as it goes along. In financial and economic contexts, the snowball effect is often associated with compound interest. When you invest money and earn interest on your initial investment, the interest itself becomes part of the principal amount. As a result, you earn interest not only on your initial investment but also on the accumulated interest, leading to exponential growth over time. This concept underscores the importance of long-term investing and the potential for small investments to turn into substantial wealth through the power of compounding. In social contexts, the snowball effect can manifest in the spread of ideas, trends, or behaviors. For example, a single influential person adopting a new fashion trend or promoting a particular idea can inspire others to follow suit. As more people adopt a trend or idea, it gains momentum and popularity, ultimately leading to widespread acceptance. This effect is often seen in the realm of viral marketing and social media, where a single post or video can rapidly gain millions of views and shares. In the realm of technology and innovation, the snowball effect can also be observed. A breakthrough invention or discovery can trigger a cascade of related innovations and developments. As researchers and innovators build upon each other's work, the field progresses at an accelerating pace. This concept is often referred to as the law of accelerating returns and is particularly relevant in fields like information technology and artificial intelligence. On a more negative note, the snowball effect can also describe the rapid escalation of negative consequences or problems. For instance, in environmental issues, a small initial environmental disturbance, such as deforestation or pollution, can set off a chain reaction of ecological problems, leading to widespread environmental degradation. Similarly, in financial crises, a minor economic issue or market instability can trigger a domino effect of financial turmoil and economic recession. In personal and behavioral contexts, the snowball effect can apply to habits and behaviors. A seemingly insignificant decision or action can lead to a pattern of behavior that becomes increasingly difficult to change over time. This is often referred to as a vicious cycle, where small negative actions or decisions compound into more significant problems. In summary, the snowball effect describes a phenomenon where something small or insignificant grows rapidly and accumulates over time, often with exponential or cascading effects. This concept can be observed in various fields, including finance, social dynamics, technology, and personal behavior. Whether in the context of positive growth and innovation or negative consequences and problems, understanding the snowball effect is essential for making informed decisions and predicting outcomes in a wide range of situations.